Today I'm giving you my laundry hacks that I've been using for years. I use them on my cheap clothes, on my work clothes, on my everyday clothes. We definitely need it in this economy right now. We're all trying to keep our head above water. So hopefully some of these, if not all of these, can be beneficial to you. Before tossing clothes into the wash, fasten them up. Open zippers, Velcro, hooks are like tiny saws to delicate fabrics and create runs, pulls, and holes. Loose open garments also stretch and twist more during washing, affecting their shape over time. Think of it as preparing your clothes for a safe journey through the laundry cycle. 3 seconds of prep can prevent pricey damage later. One of the easiest ways to protect your clothes is to turn them inside out before storing and washing it. The outer surface of your clothes are constantly exposed to sunlight, friction, stains, abrasions, and take the most punishment from rubbing against other garments during laundering. By flipping them inside out, you're helping colors stay brighter, prints stay intact, and fibers last longer. It's a really easy habit that costs nothing but dramatically extends the life of your wardrobe. The rumors are true. I'm a recovering overwasher, but not all garments need laundering after every single wear. Excessive washing is one of the biggest causes of fading, shrinking, and fiber breakdown. Sweaters, jeans, jackets, and a lot of dresses can often be worn several times before washing. However, I'm not implying that you're not airing out your garments outside or in the freezer, or using a fabric refresher or sanitizer to keep them clean in between. What I am saying is the less unnecessary washing your clothes endure, the longer they'll maintain the color, shape, and quality over time. Your detergent affects more than cleanliness. It affects the lifespan of your clothes. Harsh fillers and formulas gradually strip fibers and fade colors. Going au naturel with your detergents, especially those designed for delicate fabrics or natural fibers, can clean effectively while causing less wear. The goal isn't simply to remove dirt, it's to preserve the fabric itself. Just like your skin appreciates gentler products, your clothing does too. Heat is one of the biggest enemies of fabric longevity. Hot water, high dryer settings, and excessive heat exposure can weaken fibers, fade colors, damage elastic, and shrink natural materials. Whenever possible, wash with cooler water and dry on lower settings. Better yet, air dry delicate pieces or any pieces you can. Vintage homemakers relied heavily on clotheslines and drying racks, and modern textile science confirms they were onto something. Most people only use their laundry bags for delicates. Lightweight shirts, inexpensive garments, embellished pieces, and delicate knits can all benefit from the added protection. Laundry bags reduce friction, prevent snagging, and help garments maintain their appearance longer. Think of them as like a protective shield that helps your clothes survive the washing machine with less damage. When possible, choose a steamer over an iron. Steam relaxes wrinkles with less direct heat, reducing the risk of scorching natural fibers or melting synthetic fabrics. It also tends to be faster and gentler on delicate garments. While irons still have their place, steaming is often the safer option for preserving fabric quality and extending the life of your favorite pieces. Almost everyone sorts their laundry into lights and darks, but there's another step that can help protect your wardrobe even more: getting specific. A lot of damage can come from mixing colors and different density fabrics. I like to sort first by color, then by fabric weight, and finally by prints or specialty items. This helps reduce unnecessary friction and wear, prevents dye transfer, and helps each load wash more effectively. This isn't about stretches, this is about hangers. While they might be convenient, they're not always your clothing's best friends. Sweaters, knitwear, dresses, and even some pants can stretch under their own weight when stored hanging. That's where those mysterious shoulder bumps and misshapen necklines come from. Folding heavier or stretcher garments helps them maintain their original shape. Save hangers for structured pieces like jackets, blouses, and tailored garments. The old-fashioned trick that's still incredibly effective today is strategic layering. Wearing undershirts, slips, camisoles, or lightweight base layers help absorb sweat and body oils before they reach your outer garments. This means sweaters, blouses, dresses, and jackets stay cleaner longer and require less frequent washing. I also like the fact that the layers in between everything are protected not just internally but externally. Less washing means less wear, which ultimately means longer lasting clothes. No, this isn't about hair. Not all fabrics are constructed the same way. A tightly woven fabric has more threads packed closely together, making it stronger and more resistant to snagging, abrasion, and everyday wear. Loosely woven fabrics may feel soft and airy, but they often peel faster, catch way more easily, and wear through sooner. An easy test while shopping is to hold the fabric up to the light. If you can clearly see large gaps between the threads, it might not be as durable. A tighter weave usually means a garment that will keep its appearance much longer. While you're shopping, whenever possible, choose garments from durable, high-quality fibers. Long staple cotton, linen, wool, silk, hemp, and well-made synthetic performance fibers generally outlast cheaper, low-quality alternatives. Better fibers resist pilling, hold their shape, and tolerate repeated washing far better. While higher quality garments may cost a little more upfront, they often save money over time because they don't need to be replaced nearly as often. Think of it as investing in your wardrobe instead of constantly replacing it. This isn't just a seasonal affair. Clothes can become damaged even when they're sitting in your closet. Overcrowding leads to wrinkles, stretched shoulders, crushed embellishments, and unnecessary wear. If there are items you're not currently wearing, consider storing them properly in garment bags, bins, or dedicated storage areas. Giving your wardrobe room to breathe helps preserve its condition and makes getting dressed easier. Don't let stained clothes sit. One of the easiest ways to extend the life of your clothes is to treat stains as soon as possible. A fresh stain usually sits on the surface of the fabric, making it much easier to remove. But as time passes, stains begin to soak deeper into the fibers. Heat, oxygen, and even your own body oils can cause them to bond with the fabric, turning what could have been a simple cleanup into a permanent mark. Food, coffee, wine, grass, sweat, makeup, and body oils all become more difficult to remove the longer they remain in the fabric. Even stains that seem invisible at first, like perspiration or cooking oils, can slowly oxidize over time, leaving behind yellow or brown discoloration that may become permanent. And if none of those tips work, every garment comes with their very own built-in instruction manual, the care label. Those symbols and recommendations aren't suggestions. They're the manufacturer's label advice for preserving the fabric. When in doubt, trust the care tag. Following those instructions can help you avoid shrinking, fading, stretching, and other common laundry disasters. Making your clothes last isn't one magical product or expensive appliance. It's a collection of small habits practiced consistently over time. These principles helped previous generations stretch their clothing budgets, and they can do the same for you and me today. Your clothes work hard for you. Why not take care of them and they'll return the favor?